In this tutorial, I want to talk to you about the 3 best ways to market your online course. These marketing techniques are tried and true, which means that they should boost customer interest and provide the overall success of your online course. Let's get started. 1. Pre-sell your online course. The best way to market your online course is through pre-selling. In short, pre-selling your online course includes validating the demand for the course topic by promoting a soon-to-be created course. The benefit of pre-selling your online course is that it ensures you do not waste time creating a course that does not sell. Here is how to pre-sell your online course. Begin by creating a course title and outline that is designed to intrigue potential customers. Then, set an intended price for the course and set a minimum interest goal. In other words, determine the minimum amount of people that must be interested in order to create the course. Once you have that sorted, present your upcoming course so that customers become aware of it. Thinkific is a great tool for creating a sales page for pre-selling a course. If enough people purchase the course, then go ahead and create the online course. If you do not reach your minimum number of customers, then you should not proceed with the course. Simply refund those who were interested and explain that there was not enough interest in the course. 2. Use multiple promotional platforms. The second way to market your online course is to use multiple promotional platforms. Sure, you probably use your blog and Twitter account to promote your course, but there are many other platforms that you can use to reach more potential customers. A customized landing page, YouTube channel, Instagram posts, Snapchat stories, and Reddit are all great platforms to promote your online course. In fact, it is recommended that you use as many platforms as you can manage. Using more platforms results in a more well-rounded promotional launch because it promotes your course in different ways. It will allow you to promote your course via videos, slideshows, blog posts, social media posts, and more. This will allow you to reach a wider audience that results in more opportunities for potential customers to select your course. When you use multiple platforms, it's recommended that you stick to a consistent branding voice. This will cause your users to identify your course and offerings. 3. Create an extensive email list. Finally, the third way to market your online course is to create an extensive email list using the names of potential customers. An email list is the easiest and most effective way to reach out to customers and convince them to buy your product. Here's how you can create an extensive email list from scratch. 1. Begin by creating an email account with an email service provider. You do not want to use your personal email for your online course. Instead, create an email specifically for course use so that you look branded and professional. Once you have the email created, you can use a number of email marketing tools to enhance the user experience and effectiveness of the campaigns. 2. Next, you should create your email list. You will make this list from the people who have expressed interest in your product during the pre-selling phase or through your promotional channels. 3. After that, create a lead magnet. A lead magnet is something you exchange for the customer's email address. Make it relevant to the course, like a tool or cheat sheet. 4. Send out the emails.